up, guys? So today I am on a special mission because we are picking up a very special vehicle. I like the name of the vehicle. It's called Spitfire. But yeah, unfortunately that's not a plane from World War II. I would be glad to own one of those, but it's a car, a classic car. Come on, let's find out what this is all about. And yes, don't mind the spare wheel as we are waiting for new tires to come. I don't know, logistics these days, huh? So here it is, not Supermarine Spitfire, but Triumph Spitfire. Yeah, I don't know the specs, I only know it's a 4-cylinder. Do you maybe know it?
1.2 to 1.5 liter.
Yeah, okay, we can take a guess.
About 15 seconds to 100.
And probably what, 700 kilo?
Yes, 700 to 800 kilo.
Something like that, yeah. But it's a nice classic car. I would say that the fun fact is that the steering wheel is on the left side, not on the right side. Yeah. So, our car's been sitting here for like a year, and firstly, it doesn't have a car battery, and second, I don't know if the car will start, so we'll just give it a go, bring it up, put it on a trailer somehow, and yeah, we go from there, so let's give it a try. Okay. As it's pretty dark inside here, we're gonna show off the car at our base, because we're bringing the car to our base. So yeah, bear with us a bit. Yeah, let's see how this unlocks. No remote locking or something, so this doesn't work. This doesn't work.
Eventually.
So I would guess that one key is for left door, second key is for the right door, and one key is to start the car. Or something like that. Whoa. Ooh. Alright. Now we need to figure out the key for the ignition. Nope. Okay, can we give it a go? Alright, so we have fuel.
Yeah,
We just need to keep on cranking it.
yeah, just crank it.
Still?
Yeah, still.
You just needed a bit of throttle. Oh, we need to unlock it. Hold the camera.
Okay.
It's recording.
You're giving me a key?
No other way, we need a key, we need a key. So like I mentioned, one key for door locks, the other key to start the car. Okay. Huh. That's a problem. Okay, give it a go. Record. Yes. So we're gonna roll with the window down. Damn, so tight.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay. Clutch, brake. Ooh, brake is.
Soft.
Ooh, I'm not sure if the brakes are working.
I think one of the brakes was dragging a bit.
We barely have some brake. What about? Oof. This is gonna be interesting. Barely able to brake. So the car is out and running, at least that's good, but there is almost absolutely nothing on the brakes, so we need to be extremely careful how we're gonna load this car onto the trailer. But we're gonna manage it. Off to the base. As we are off to the base, Tit will Google more about this car so we can tell you more about the specifications, because like we literally have no idea. But of course we're gonna do our homework. Yeah, we're gonna do our homework. What do you think? This fits the lift? Or it's narrow?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah, it will make
Barely.
Day 2.
And funny story, we had to move the car on the other side on the post lift because the car is too short on the scissor lift. Yeah, but everything is set up. What we'll do to the car is we're gonna change all the fluids. We're gonna check out what's going on with the brakes, because the brake reservoir was fully empty and you can spot there was some kind of a leakage way back. We need to change the spark plugs, as the old spark plugs are like super old. And that's about it. Check everything. If anything else needs to have some maintenance, and the car is good to go. Okay, let's lift it up. So checking out the car, except that everything is a bit greasy. Looks quite fine and healthy. And these nice exhausts. Extend them a bit and you have a Bussozup style. We're gonna use our RP Tools oil drainer to drain out the oil.
Smooth energy for a minute, been that brother. Gonna love for cappers, more than just a rapper. You can call me Jam, yeah, but she can call me Papa. You're in my life, yo, I know I am a factor.
So we're gonna drain fresh oil into the gearbox now with this device that's as old as this car. Oh, well, except the DeWalt machine. This is not slow motion.
Always look at life how I pulled through. Was it my mama or my papa how I did it? Mad juice, you know the way I'm just different. Life done changed the whole pace. Lift the spirit up the pace, heard my brody beat his case. Love the real ones and if the fakes. Now I'm feeling different nearly every day.
Looks healthy, right?
Yeah, like new.
Like a brand new. So looking at this engine bay, you would say, wow, a lot of space to work on the engine. But the stuff on the engine is put on really tightly, so yeah, now we need to disassemble the alternator to remove the first spark plug. But anyhow, we will have to remove the alternator because we're gonna change the belt as well.
Living, that's the topic. Living, that's the top topic. Living, that's the top topic.
So, the Triumph is all done and ready. I will take it out for a spin before delivering it to the customer, so I can check if everything works as it should work, and yeah, and let's see how to enjoy this car. But first, let me change into something more suitable for the Spitfire. Ready for the Spitfire. Oh yeah, we owe you some information about the car, I forgot about it. Wow. Oh yes, some info about the car. It's a Triumph Spitfire 1500, the last generation of Triumph Spitfires, and yeah, it's not the last car, even though I think the company shut down somewhere in the mid-80s. Yeah, like model name says, it's a 1.5 liter engine with dual carburetors, and it produces around 70 horses and 80 feet of torque. 0 to 60, I don't know, something on calendar, and top speed around 160. And the weight, of course, it's super light because it's super small. Maybe it doesn't look on the pictures and on the video, but it's super tight. The weight is around 750 kilos. So yeah, weight power ratio ended bad. And why is this car, of course, interesting for us is it's a rear-wheel drive car. Yes, only 2-point seat belt. Let's see if I can make it. Okay, it's running good. Lights on. Nice switch. And let's go. Has only 4 gears, plus reverse, of course. It drives really nice. Even though you're a bit squeezed inside, well, luckily I'm not over dimension, but imagine Scoopy driving this car. That would be something. No brake booster, no nothing, no power steering, no AC. Well, why would you need an AC in this convertible? Nice and slowly. This could be a cool drift project, you know. Imagine swapping like an SR20 in this baby. Well, it would need much more than just an SR20. Since it has a lift suspension on the rear, drum brakes, stuff like that. Nevertheless, guys, if you like this kind of content on our channel with some old classic cars, please comment down below, and yeah, we will try to do some more. Until next time, yeah, of course, subscribe, like our content, share our content,